Welcome to Week 3. We've covered the what and the how of DEX trading. Now, we're going to focus on the when. When should you buy? When should you sell? To answer these questions, we need to learn the language of the market. Our textbook for this new language is TradingView. TradingView is, in my opinion, the best charting platform on the planet. It's a powerful, web-based tool that gives you everything you need to analyze financial markets. While the charts on DEX tools are good for a quick look, TradingView is where you come to do serious analysis. It's the difference between a sketchpad and a full-blown artist studio. Let's take a quick tour. I'm on the TradingView website, looking at the Bitcoin/USD chart. This main area is your canvas. At the top, you can change the asset you're looking at, the time frame, and the type of chart. On the left, you have all your drawing tools. This is where you can draw trend lines, support and resistance levels, and all sorts of other patterns. On the right, you have your watch list, your alerts, and the social feed where you can see ideas from other traders. And at the bottom, you have your paper trading panel and the Pine editor for creating your own custom indicators. The first thing you should do is create a free account. This will let you save your charts and your watch lists. Once you have an account, let's create a watch list. This is a list of the crypto pairs you want to follow. I'm going to add a few of the major pairs, like ETH, USD, SOL, USD, and AVAX, USD. Now, I can quickly switch between the charts for these pairs without having to search for them every time. This is a great way to stay organized and efficient. TradingView is an incredibly deep platform, and we're going to be spending the rest of this week exploring its features. For your Do Now project, you're going to get your own studio set up. You'll create a TradingView account and build your first watch list. This will be your home base for all your future technical analysis. That's it for today. Get your workspace ready, because tomorrow, we're going to learn how to read the most important part of any chart, the candlesticks. I'll see you then. Don't miss out on the latest crypto trading tips, market news, platform updates, and exclusive course content. Our newsletter keeps you informed and ahead of the market, delivered straight to your inbox. Visit news@makeittakeit.org to subscribe today and become part of our growing community of crypto traders.